Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting essentials in place: a teen Google account and a parent or guardian account with Family Link. Once done, install and update Google Pay, then sign in on the teen device. Make sure the parent is nearby to approve requests because some regions require parental verification. Next, ask the parent to add their card for verification. This creates a tokenized payment credential you can use. This step avoids sharing sensitive card details while enabling immediate, monitored payments for you to try. Now you link accounts and set permissions. You need the parent to approve the linked payment method and to configure spending limits or notifications via Family Link. This protects both of you. Once approved, add a virtual or physical card to your wallet by following the prompts. You'll see tokenization and a temporary verification hold. Make sure to complete any identity checks from the bank or Google Pay. Those checks are why some features appear locked until verified. After that, you'll be able to pay in stores and finish by testing a small purchase, tap to pay or a $1 online charge to confirm everything works. You should see a notification and a pending hold. Once confirmed, the parent can review and authorize. Make sure transaction alerts are on so you both track activity. If something fails, check that the parent granted approval, that Google Pay has required permissions, and that your country supports teen accounts. Sometimes updating the app or removing and re-adding the card resolves tokenization hiccups.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.